Welcome to another quick social media tutorial. In this video, you'll find out how you can customize your algorithm on Instagram in order to change up your feed. If you want to customize your feed or the algorithm on Instagram of your account, this is how you can do it, and it is way easier than you think. There are multiple ways that you can do this. The number one way is a manual way that you can do on your reels. For example, when watching a reel, you can click on the three dots from the options and you'd see the interested or not interested option. But if you really want to tell the algorithm what you like, you can click on the interested option. That will make the algorithm know that you're interested in this type of content. Or if you're not interested in the type of reel, you can just click on not interested and it will tell the algorithm that you don't like the type of content in your feed and you will not see that type of content anymore. The other way that you can do it is by going into the settings. You'll need to go onto your Instagram profile and click on the three lines from the top right corner. From here, what you need to do is scroll down and go onto the What You See tab. Here you'd see different options. What you need to do is click on Content Preferences. Now here, as you can see, you can select what you're interested in, select about sensitive content, political content, what you're not interested in, or specific words or phrase. You can also go on to reset suggested content and have a completely fresh start on your algorithm or your feed. Just click on next and it will take you through the process where you can reset your algorithm. You can go on to sensitive content and select how much sensitive content you want to view. For example, you can do less if you want to see less sensitive content, standard, or more. The same thing you can do for political content, and you can also select specific words or phrases that you want to see on your preferences. By going through these options, you'd be easily able to customize your algorithm or your feed on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.